of your body. Wanna see you move your body. Always in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half the milk from my beach, you get a open this and that look don't see that day that I ain't got to but they can respect it 2000 on I ain't wait out to Japan. I'm a revolution and you just don't see it on man. The song of the chart I heard. Fucking breezy, I'm the one that gave them their chance. I didn't need to tell them that they can do it. I can. Sweetest in the world, you'll be real nice. Sweetest one, oh, you'll be much all night. We're here to put the body. Wanna see you move your body. It's just sweet, but someone from the mountain. And play I was sitting on the top, saw you hear you from the other I saw you trying to do what TV just left me with it there. It's true, the choice that sweet damn, that's right, she wasn't there. She never left, and why is everybody, oh my, it don't pay for me, just because you did it and come up with it. So if you see this in the club, go on and on. We would never be open, not unleashed to we say. The sweets in the world will be to be nice. The sweets of the world will be much all night. We're here to put the body. Wanna see you move your body.
Mark it up, move, mark it up, move. We are come. All right.
Swim. You'll be real nice. Seats on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We're here to put the body. Wanna see you work your body. Do it to me. If you see us in the club, we'll be acting real nice. If you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Wanna see you work your body. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
All right. Morning, everybody. Morning. Morning over YouTube. We have the adverts. Sure. Good morning to everybody over YouTube. Which broker is the best? Where are you? Where are you? Damn you. What kind of name them here? What's see if you call look here? Morning. Right. For those persons who are on my TikTok, I'm over YouTube, guys, because I can't show anything on my screen over here. So when I come over YouTube, everything I show up on my screen over YouTube. Yes. Which country are you in? Damn youth. If you're in Jamaica, it's a different broker. If you're overseas, it's a different broker. So you have to let me know where you are. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Right. So hopefully Uncle Trump not say nothing today. In a profit right now, I'm not close out because I still have a little bit of money for make up from yesterday. So I hope Uncle Trump not coming in foolishness because I'm not in a eat today. Oh, me not in a eat, so make sure I check the news and see what along the John shop. You're in Jamaica? Okay, hold on. Me not in a eat with him today at all. Hi, Mary. Good afternoon, but oh, me think that Trump I frighten you, see Jesus Christ. Ooh, cannot bother. Why is this saying Sunday? Yes, I will for day. Wednesday. President Langard. Okay, that are Europe. We now do deal with Europe things over here. So USA things we are dealing with. Right. News. Right. Anybody in any trades? Anybody in any trades from this morning when they tell them to re-enter about the trades them? All right. Iran reports signs of potential US moves to lift blockage according to Tasnim. Trump-Iran talks possible as soon as Friday. NYP. Iran fires third ship in Hormuz escalation. Container ship Francesca owned by military. Look here. They want to ship business. I get on top of my nerves. Cha. All right, you send me a message. No, didn't enter after Lana. Okay. All right, so let's see what we can hook up in the market today. All right, New York session is not my favorite session in a but if we see something set up, right, then we can take it. If we don't see anything setting up, then we leave it alone. So we are look for it. Let me drop down to the 15-second time frame and look for get one instant entry to Jesus. Hey, Molly. We're looking to get an instant entry to Jesus per the white gate. So we're looking at NQ or MNQ, guys. And we're going to be looking at MGC as well. Just those two pair we are focused on. Nothing else. All right. All right. I'm going to carry my pen over here. So. All right. So we're waiting for that to set up. Oh, hold on a second. Tap. All right. So everything is pushing down. Yeah, them are coming and going clean up, but the whole of them liquidity today. And they've been playing in the same area from Sunday. It's so annoying. I don't even what to say or to do. Listen, at this point, we have a treat New York session like Vix. Like as soon as you see profit, you have to just take it and run. I saw we have to treat New York session. Like look what I can play. Where? Gotcha. This is New York session for you guys. I mean in a profit, you know. Just never remember to close out the trade. Bear in mind, guys, I'm on the 15-second time frame, so you're gonna see it more volatile than the rest of the time frames. The 15 seconds time frame is more like for pro people. Not everybody can get the 15 seconds. You have to have the premium and trading view for trade on the 15 seconds. So the 15 seconds, traders use it to get into the market way before the people them on the 1 minute and the rest of the time frame them get in at the trades them. So that's why a lot of people use, not a lot, but that's why some people use the 15-second time frame. It's giving you an instant entry into heaven. Yes. So if you're not ready pan here, if you're not ready done so, you're not ready pan the rest of the time frame them. Because this is a time frame before the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 10 hour and them something here on one day. It's that type of time frame. Right. So we're gonna wait for that to set up. We're going to score the rest of the peers them. Okay, everything else I can follow NQ. Morning. MGC is there consolidating, so we can wait on this for setup. All right. Let me get the link for Demute is still on the live. Second. Right.
Elevate your everyday routine with Monday Hair Care's body essentials. Lather up using our much-loved body wash, now in a lush root formula. Smooth and soften with our exfoliating scrub. All available in 3 delicious scents for everybody, every day.
Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? I don't know. You're looking for.
Alright, we'll come off of this cause YouTube no flag you. Watch myself on YouTube. YouTube no flag you when you're playing mixtapes.
Just them already we went, just them at the full of a sound killer.
All right, guys, get ready for it. Get ready for MGC.
Sound, but of them run, none of them run town. Those pretend sound, come around, full of a them murderer.
Morning, morning. Oh my girl, when I pass the world, my mom is on.
Don't you know that stone never miss the fence? Watch them, watch them, watch them, watch them, watch them fall. Don't you know you're gonna get down full of a sound killer? Little devil on there.
Morning. Right, MGC for the buy, guys.
Yeah.
MGC for the buy.
Oh, I took it to the better. I get it.
Worries tonight. Worries in the dance. Right, everybody in, guys. MGC for the buy. All right, let me drop this in the group. The old group then. So we can copy it and send it to on the YouTube.
That's all.
MGC. Yeah, that's the one, Novia. Yes. So that's the link, they're mute. That's a link if you're in Jamaica. You're in Jamaica, so yes, that's a link for Jamaica. The other one that we're using, it doesn't work in Jamaica, unfortunately. You know, it's a Jamaica back a bush place already. So certain things don't work out there. The service said that was a true. Certain things don't work at Jamaica. I don't know why. It's like they don't want the people them at Jamaica. Hold on, please, huh? Hold on, please, me I tell you. Them no want people to make no money. And that me notice. Jamaica supposed to update. Look on Barbados. You know, so about Barbados, you can get crypto wallet over Barbados. Barbados and Bahamas up to date and up to scratch. Jamaica, back a bush. The only thing Jamaica good for tourism, nothing more. And the food and the beach. Not a thing else. That's why so much poverty down there. Yeah, son? Yeah. And you can't blame people when they say they don't want to go back home. What if you blame them say? Because no structure no down there. Not no down there for yeah, son, you want to open one crypto wallet at Jamaica. And the minute you put you come from Jamaica, you also want big old X come up. this product is not available in your country, or this product is blocked in your country. Mr. Watch ya. They don't good for nyam the money down there. As them get the money, them nyam it. And take it packet to themselves, the government down there. Yeah, that's all them do. So if you live overseas, the only thing you have to do is try and make sure that you're not done with everything on the phone before you can reside back home there, so. That me I tell you now. Cause nothing no down there, so. You can't download nothing by your phone down there. The minute you connect to Jamaica internet, you cannot download certain things by your phone. But dear, thank God for foreign. Big up mommy. Right. Get ready for NQ, guys. We're waiting for a break and close right here. All right, so it's here playing about. So the 15 seconds fast. My word of Daniels. Me say people, the first time I trade for the 15-second time frame, my heart nearly drop out of my body. Me get used to it now. First time I was afraid for trade for the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, son. But the 15-second, I said, Jesus. So what's not saying to me around here? I nearly drop out. I say, well, what this book on call on by myself? I say, when you put on the strategy on it now, yes, and it actually works good with the strategy now. So when you put on the strategy on it, it actually tells you what's going on. So like right here, it's telling you that we're literally above a support area, which means that NASDAQ come down here, so yes, and it'll reject off of this area, right? We're not entering right now. We enter as soon as you see the buy pop up, boom, we enter. Now you can enter NQ for the buy, guys. NQ or MNQ. NQ or MNQ, guys. Enter ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. See your buy there. So the buy doesn't pop up until when the candle closes above the trend line right here. This is when the buy pops up right here. Yeah, so everybody in, everybody in. Right, so when I call out the trade under 15 seconds, I go back to my 15 minutes. I don't stay under 15 seconds. If I stay up on the 15 second, I'll add palpitation and ECG monitor go string up on you in a hospital, so nobody run this. So we come back on the higher time frame, you understand, and then we watch the trade play out from there. You understand? Yes. So this is if those persons want to use the strategy. Now, for those persons who did get the strategy, right? I use the strategy set up from the 5-minute time frame. You can use the 1 minute, but the 5 minute is ideal for persons who are new. You understand? For those persons who were in from earlier, from before, then you guys are more seasoning, you can use the 1 minute time frame. But if you're just getting started, you guys can use the 5 minutes. So since we're here, after me finish call out some Vix trades, we could do a little bit of training on the strategy and teach you guys how to use it. For those persons who don't have the strategy yet, send me your trading view, send me your trading view username so I can add it on for you. Once I add it on, you will need a laptop or a desktop to activate it on your laptop. Once you put it on your laptop on your trading view, then it will pop up on your phone. You understand? A ripple effect to any device that you're using. So once I add it on for you, then you guys can will see it on your phone. All right, everybody in trades, guys. Everybody in. Everybody in. Everybody in. All right. MGC is pushing up. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Everybody's supposed to be in NQ or M and Q for those who are on a smaller account. Right. So we can go over VIX now. I leave those over there. So All right, let's see what's going on over the VIX sides of the world. One dan just a come a class and just a wake up. Him lucky cause market just left off. Morning, one dan. All right, since you're just coming on, you can enter NQ for the buy. NQ for the buy, one dan. NQ for the buy. All right, so over the VIX side, you know. All right, let's see what's setting up in a John shop around here. So we normally knock out two class in a one session, guys. You understand? Kind of makes sense. We're gonna come off and then come off of this and then go do VIX session. No, me not have time for that, my dear. Everybody come on the same session for Asian and London session. Asian and New York session, sorry. And so we get down to the nitty-gritty of things around here. All right, so that's not ready yet. Let's see what this one is doing. All right, nice. This one was set up. Kuya. When you see me with the fire, kuya. My back up 3,500 extra. Nice. See that? I knew that you could have done it. Praise Jesus. You've made money. All right, so how much you have left to pass the account? I soon go cover this stuff for my penny now. Because I need to make sure so they on top of passing these accounts. You understand? Yeah. Couple more days left for the market close. You understand the last 2 days has been up and down all over the place. Like headless chicken. But yes, we should be back up on top farm. Top shelf up there so. You have 2,500 left, so right. So between NQ today, you can make that 2,500 and pass the account. All right. Order rejected. I thought you were in the trade just now, Novia. So you need to log into your Alpha Futures and look if your account is blown. Weren't you in the trade before? You did send a screenshot earlier. Which trade did you enter earlier? Check if you're still in that trade. If it not allow you to place no more trade, then I want the one you can place for now. So it was the MGC that you just placed. So click on the blue if you're using you're on the upright. Remember me said last night off to check the trades them. Oh, no, listen, guys. Click on the blue and white symbol. So click on chart. You're gonna see the blue and white symbol at the top. Click on it. All right. And then you're gonna see all of the trades them that you're in. If it's 1, if it's 2, you're gonna see it round here. So click on the blue and white symbol, which is the trade of it symbol, and you're gonna see the trades that you're in around the other side. That's how you know if you're in the trades or not. You're in MGC. Okay, so that means you can't put on the NQ. Take a screenshot of your log into your Alpha Futures and take a screenshot of your chart. The account that you have, take a screenshot of the front page. Let me see. Send it to my Telegram. Don't send it in the chat. So log into your Alpha Futures and let me see how much money I have to work with. All right, come on, NQ. NQ today, I know the day for this, you know. You understand? Let me make sure I talk to you from now. Today is not the day for this consolidation business. Oh, So you try work your body up yourself. And ramp with me. You are an MGC, you know, work on your body up yourself, man. Sure. We are trying to see if we can grab and look 1-2-1-2 before Trump come go and chat foolishness. Come man, work on your body yourself. Nonsense. All right, so your account is still active. Huh? Yeah, from now on, all right, now we click on the account metrics and then send me, scroll down a little bit and send me a picture of a screenshot of around there as well. Right, first I wanted to do the same thing. So first log into your Alpha Futures and then take a picture of your, click on where it says dashboard, then click on account metrics, and then send me a screenshot of around here. And if I'm still there. Mm. Mm. So your balance show that amount, your maximum loss is that amount. This not update yet. You know, say account blow Novia. Your account blow. Your balance is showing 96,413. But all them allow you to enter the trade. Your maximum amount, your maximum loss is 96,500. Yeah, I guess if you're already in the trade, it would go through before. You'd have a little bit of extra for enter. But you can't enter no more trade. So if the trade that you're in, if the MGC manage to push up and you make some more extra money on it, because you know refresh it, this doesn't refresh until later on. But for now, it's not registered as in if you blow the account yet. But looking at it, your balance is less than the maximum loss amount that they put on the chart itself. So it's still gonna allow you to trade if you had some extra money left in your account. So hopefully the MGC push up and you can make back some money on top of it to go and build it back up. Right. It looks like you check. Now check these things now, guys. Log into your account. You have to log in your account. Go to where it says account metrics. Then when you go around there, you're gonna see where it says trading growth curve. That's where you need to check for those who are using alpha. So trading growth curve. You're gonna see your balance. Then you're gonna see profit target. Then you're gonna see maximum loss limits. So Kim, log in your account and check those things. When I look at if and suppose and it look like, we'll make sure. Right? Frost is still here. Look like Frost gone and I look like Frost gone. All right, hold on a second. So Roger, Frost, I'm the one calling now. Cross the outer door. First me there say call and I tell you say for check your account, for log in at your Alpha Futures and check your account. So that's on your live account. No man, your live account good. So if it's rejecting on your live account, that means you hit a target for the day then. Right. Send me a screenshot of your metrics, Kim, on your live account and on the 150K account. So click on each of them and send me a screenshot of the account metrics. Now, first log into your Alpha Futures and you're gonna click on the dash. You're gonna see the account when you log in. Click on where it says account metrics. Click on where it says account metrics, and then you're going to go to where it says, hold on, let me tell you. You're gonna go to where it says trading curve and send me a screenshot of the little list right there. It should allow you to send a screenshot. Kim, you have to close it out and come back in again. Right. So if you're on your live account, you're not supposed to have no restriction on your live account. So you need to send them a message, send Alpha Futures a message if it's not allowing you to trade on your live account. Hit the limit. You hit the limit in the negative or in the positive. It went over $1,000 negative just now. So you need to watch the trade, Kim. Only close out at negative $500, people. No, listen to me. No, listen to me. All right, yeah, at work. Right, so let me go back over this, guys. For those persons who are on the 50K account, you should only close out if it goes negative $500. You saw, was it the NQ you were in? And you're not supposed to be trading NQ yet on the 50K account unless you have couple thousands over on the 50K account. You're supposed to be working with the smaller version, which is the MNQ. So when you're on the live account, you only trade the NQ if you have over a certain amount in your account. So if you have one extra 2,000, one extra 3,000, one extra 4,000, then you can start trading NQ on the 50K account. If not, stick to MGC, MES, and MNQ for the 50K live account and also for the evaluation stage. All right? Yeah, so you have got not tomorrow, you have to wait until later for trade back on the account. Right, so on the live account, Kimmy, how much extra do you have left? $749. Okay, so at least you still have extra left on your account. So you have to go wait later on to go start trade back on there. You had 1,749, right? So if you never entered the NQ itself, you could have, you understand, you can still be in the trade. Look at the market push up. You see that? All right. First, where you send the message to send the screenshot to my Telegram, not on TikTok, guys. I hate when I do this. Send the messages to my Telegram. I'm not on TikTok right now. Only to my Telegram. Telegram we I work with, guys. Telegram we I work with. Right. Anybody else in profit? Anybody in profit on the trade? So NQ is pushing up, MNQ is pushing up. I same thing. I said it's the same something. NQ is pushing up, MNQ is pushing up. All right. MGC is still playing about at the entry right here. So right, Frost, are you in any trades? Frost? Right, up 600, up 600. All right. What can I enter for the other accounts? For the other account, oh, the trade gone already to Jesus. Hold on, we have to wait for a new candle come out. All right, Frost, you're good to go. So you have 97. Okay. So you're in trades. So you never hear myself getting that trade. But Frost, what you not listen run yes, man. I think I've done is not come make the trade them miss left on our but in business. When you could use it the little time to build up back the account. All right. So we are look for those who are not in, look for get into NQ. Hold on. Oh, you was driving. Okay, okay. All right. Hold on a second. I just secure 700. Right. So you see like how Marvelin just drop that in. Everybody's supposed to secure them profit and then wait for re-enter. So we are going to chop down the money here. So secure the profit and we are look for re-enter. Secure profit, re-enter. Secure profit, re-enter. Praise Jesus. That's how we are doing it. All right. So now we are waiting for a re-entry back on NQ or MNQ. All right. MGC is still there playing about. You understand? It push up a little bit and come back down to entry. We're still in that trade. All right. So get ready for a re-entry on no Frost. You can enter NQ when we call it out. Only when we call it out. Don't enter by yourself. So like how you're up on the road that drive, you have to go listen carefully for when me tell yourself when to secure profit. All right. So now you see what I go on in a John shop. All right, so Frost, they're far from building back up the money to the 100,000. Right, Jamie on here. What Jamie there? You know what Jamie now attending sessions them. Right, let me wake up the rest of the people them out of the group. All right. Sorry. All right, for those who do trade VIX, guys, I'm gonna drop the trades in the chat. So we have a multitask on 2 different charts now. My dear. Multitask business are going on here, so. Vixy, Vixy, Vixy. Vixy, Vixy, Vixy. My mic is sound just distorted, so you have to come out and come back in. I think I my mic at all. Right, you see what I say for secure profit, guys? Look at that. You see what I'm saying? Right. That's why I say for secure profit. So when you guys are trading, make sure so when you see money, you grab it and go. Grab and go. Grab and go. That's the mentality you have to have with around here. So because you make the money quick, them can take it back quick. You understand? You make the money quick, them take it back quick. So you have to make sure, say, if you're in the trade from early, right? Once you dip on the card and you're in the trade from early, bear in mind, right now, we're in our consolidation zone and we are trading our consolidation zone. Yes, you can make money in a consolidation zone, but you have to grab and go, especially with the futures. Bear in mind, we're trading with contracts. So it's not like we're trading on our MT5 and you have to sit down and wait until the market push up to Jesus so you make one decent money. You guys, some of you guys just see you make $600 just now in a split minute. Yeah, son. So as soon as the market move from east to west, before it reach into east and into west doorway, you have to grab your profit and run. You understand? So you have to do it, guys. Grab and go, grab and go. Right, get ready for NQ now, guys. Get ready for NQ. For those who have a small account, get ready for MNQ, which is the brother of NQ. If you have a 50K account, you work with MNQ. If you have a 100K account or a 150K account, you're working with NQ. Right? Nice, nice, nice. Get ready. We have 9 seconds left on this candle. Right, buy now, guys. NQ for the buy or MNQ for the buy? Yes, Frost. Everybody in, everybody in? We need it out of the piece of stubborn area, so. From yesterday, it a give one piece of hallelujah, so. Like it a run convention on so. We need it to break and close out of this area. Stubborn, man, stubborn. Let me see what MGC I got along with you. So MGC, they run us out of be nonsense. Absolutely rubbish. Shall we get the next piece of buy from Asian session? It don't budge from here, so. London session, he said, where you put me? I know it there, so I pull back. All right. But that not ready yet. This circle around here, so. All right, on here. So we'll wait for that is set up. Right. We're still watch MGC and see what's going on. All right, we're still in NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, man. Come on. Work your body, work your body, work your body. This is gonna wait patiently for you to move. We are wait and you are wait. We are wait to run as a market. We are wait. 2 of us is waiting. Come on, man. You have 4 minutes left on the candle here. Move your body, man. Move your body. We need a nice break and close above here. Nobody mess about us, you know. That's what I'm talking about, my guy. One Indian man. There you go. Come on. I work. Come, me can't bother with they could dedicate the music. I want some music here for go and movie with body or so. Work your body, man. We need a nice break and close above your so. You have 3 minutes for break and close above here. I don't me get load on this NQ run here so.
We've always been ashamed of something so common. Looks itchy, right? You recognize that pose? I know how annoying it is.
Come on. We want a little bit of vibes in your song. Right, just want to go and check by you in a little bit. All right. What Trump said? You know, so Trump had started to become like them a 9 uncle day. You know the one where Jamaica where when I stop a 9 yo. That's how Trump feel now. So Trump extended Iran ceasefire for 3 to 5 days. White House to Fox 22 minutes ago. UK in this that not important. Trump Iran talks possible as soon as Friday. NYP. Trump. Work your body up yourself. Because when I look on Trump and he foolish around so try to push up a little bit. We just want to make one nice piece of food that will come out of this market here. So we know this when Trump and chat around us to say. Oh, I'm a piss me off and the other day, he must start to become not my favorite uncle again. Sure. All right, guys. 25 one is for the buy. No man, he might get a 9. He's one of them nagging uncle, yeah.
I so in love. I get it done. And stuff to use the word and that every way.
No, these are for Vix peers. You're Frost in a one peer already. Frost, you're not listening. You're not listening, Frost. You're in a one peer already, Frost. These are for volatility. These are for the other side of trading. Right, we have 1 minute left on a candle here, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. All right. Everybody's supposed to be in a profit on NQ or MNQ. One wallet. We have 31 seconds left on a candle here. 31 seconds. All right, come low.
Just like right here.
All right.
Thanks so much, things to chat.
Oh no. I see that. Watch out. You said put our gun around here, so Jesus. There you go. Work your body. Boom down a gun for this. Yeah. Boom down as one round here, so. Watch out. All right. Right, guys, I want you to up in a profit buy. Guys. I want you to up in a profit buy, because we might get a retracement, you're saying now. 770. All right, go and hold it little bit. Go and hold it little bit. Wait there. Hold on. Then we got jump off of my head. Go and hold it little bit. 900. All right. Go and hold it. Go and hold it. Go and hold it. All right. See, that's all. 700, 900. Anybody else in a profit? 1,120. All right. Go and hold it a little bit. All right. We see what go on here in a John shop. Hold on there. Hold on there. All right. The buyers are coming in. The buyers are coming now. The buyers, them are coming. All right. We see what go on here now. Right. Securing the profit, guys. And we are looking for re-enter back the trade. Securing the profit. And we are looking for re-enter. Come. If Trump things say, him not going to give you some money to the car. Yesterday, he messed we up. Yeah, we are making some money to them there. Yes, securing the profit, guys. Securing the profit. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. That's how we are riding today. We have up until 6 o'clock to come off of this. Or 5 o'clock. Early now, 5 o'clock. Right. Made 900 and jump. All right. Nice, nice, nice. So we are wait for your next break and close and we are re-enter back again. Run back the Beres Aman tune. I look like the Beres Aman tune him love, you know. All right. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. All right. We are no. You're up 980. See that? Nice, nice, nice. Right. You close out the trade already fast. Me never ask. Me say if you close out, I mean, if you close out. Have you closed out already? Everybody's supposed to be out of NQ and MNQ. All right. The only thing when I cannot swing right now, oh, me go for say it a move, but it a move. So those persons who are still in MGCs, go and hold the faith run the center, push up back. Right. Get ready for re-enter back NQ or MNQ, guys. Right. One run it through. Or you close out at 980. Right. So refresh back your for everybody that had the loss yesterday, refresh back your alpha futures and go back and check and see how much you have in our balance. You're supposed to update just now when you close out.
I might not show because I've been words saying I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied and stuff to reason the word and fact in every way. You know, send you love. Don't forget about that.
Life is the word.
Send you love. This life magic you will come.
For the people that was sitting on my TikTok and watch we run and say make money, me sorry for uno. Me sorry for uno. Uno jobless. You need to come and trade them. Yeah, one cocoa full basket. Uno can stay there. And go click the link in the bio if you want to get started. Nobody come in and go leech off when me I call out the trades them. Go click the link in the bio and come trade futures. Futures is the way to go. Okay? I thank you. Bye. All right. Back in profit now. So open for another good 1.5K push. All right. So 2K left up. 4K out of the 6. Okay. So 2K left. All right. Nice. Right. So let me see, 98.04. All right. So by the time we come off of years of frost, you're supposed to back up, and Kim is supposed to back up. Anybody else when I blow them account that wasn't a lot? Right. NQ for the buy, guys. NQ for the buy. We have a chatter whistle. All right. NQ for the buy or MNQ. For those who have a big account, NQ. For those who have a small account, MNQ. Right. Everybody in? All right, everybody in. Don't make the trade run left for now, guys. We are looking for all this again for one next 5 minutes, and also we are cut it down run here, so. Yeah, next time we drink some juice, yeah, so we have some sugar water, yeah, so. Aye. Right, for those who are in the Vix group, guys, I've dropped 2 trades in the Vix group already. We still look for one more. They kind of store around here, so we are, that's on Baba Weave around here, so Baba Weave. Right, we're working on a chicken we are jerk. Come here, so run us our keep. Right, go on all this, guys, as long as you can. Right, as soon as we see any farmer look up a go on here, so we, you understand, we secure profit and run and go back in again. All right, come here, so run us our keep. Right, Mr. Way. All right, so MGC is coming back up, guys. So if you were in, MGC is coming back up. All right. MGC is coming back up. All right, nice. Anybody not up on the session? Me sorry for them. They miss out. Me dear. All right. Hold on there.
Would you say, you know, me roll up on you, right? You know me life. Make it's a life, burn up Sunday, come more time. Would you say, you know, me roll up on you, right? You know me life. Make it's a life, where I stand, peace and friend, proud of birth. The pillow to my castle, the pictures to my world. I don't know my life, and I know shine, girl, I'm on you. Walk me your life, and let me full control. You would stay alone. My life. Like Disney World. You must have known that. Just like me, right here. You would have gone. What is it? You would have gone. I think I don't know. I'm disappearing. I don't have my life on my own shit. Oh, man. So much things to say, so much things to chat. And by your neck, I mean, my body flat. Something more time. We're staying out the world. I want to make to know my life. It's a life first. It could more time. My turning out the world. I want to make to know my life. It's a life first. Could ask for more when we go tonight. Situation gets serious. His mind is beginning to shut it. Turn it out, take out from the last no darkness case. Must get my head together to lose the one who's such a waste. You know what's to hear. It's just like magic. This to my face. Then show me the gun on straight to me when it's in video. Mash up your hands, I know. Mash up your face, I know. Stepping up already and moving.
Right, so we have 5 minutes left on this candle, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We need a little bit more push right there, so. Come on. Work your body. There you go. Nice.
Just kind of. You should probably spit him out. The Super Mario Galaxy movie.
There are 2 ways to do a 2027 Walt Disney World Resort holiday.
One involves daily budget to balance, a running total.
All right. We're going at it. We're going at it. Yeah, so. All right. Kuya, kuya, kuya. Nice, nice, nice. Look here, girl. Top it nice by yourself. Just so we are a musical one. Yeah, yeah, talk about Disney. You're not Disney time right now. We're not Disney rich already. Sure. We are trying to make the money like Disney.
Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me.
That's one of the old school there.
Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me.
All right. Come on.
Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me.
All right, all right.
Ooh, I'm in the midst of strangers.
Hold on
Oh
then.
Lord,
Back to one you watch and I guess so.
without love and mercy, strangers without dignity.
Hold on then. You know, so we reach one new all-time hyper NQ. Hold on a second, yes. Hold on a second, yes. I can't even bloody see anything. Right. Yes. We reach one new all-time ironia, so. Cockroaches. Come look here. Yes, the price has never been around here before. Watch ya. With your one new all-time high. We're at a new all-time high around here, so. It's about for it 27,000 for the first time. Cool, yeah. Right. Anybody in a profit, guys? Anybody? How much are you up? How much are you up by? Maybe I said we can't even chat good. Uy, I can't believe. I cannot. All right. So drop in the chat, guys. How much are you guys up by? No, man. How much are you up by in the trade? No, not in your balance, Frost. How much are you up in the trade? On the trade that you're in? All right, 800. All right. We're gonna watch this candle and see. So you never enter the trade when me say enter the trade, Frost? Wanna now listen what me say to around here, so? Jesus Christ of Nazareth, me tired. So you close out the trade already? Right. For those persons who are still in, secure your profit, guys, and we look for re-enter back the trade. Okay, so how much did you close out with? That's what I was asking. Either with or how much you were up by. How much you close out with just now? 400, okay. All right, nice. So now we are wait for your re-entry back again. So get ready, guys. Right, re-enter back NQ for the buy. So re-enter back NQ or MNQ for the buy. All right, MGC still did us up here about. MGC, me now work with you, Ronus, again, you know, because you now work with the market. So anybody at trade, you look for trade something else, because MGC now going to nothing around here, so. I not call out nothing else beside the NQ or MNQ. Most why MES are going with too. Or me see MES set up, then we can get back in, you know. All right, most of what I'm going to John shop as now. So for everybody that's just take time as strolling, you know, miss out on the action, guys. You know, miss out on the action. Yeah, so. You know, look away, you know, miss out on the what are this a trading session, yeah, so. Time, guys, time. Yeah, son, one thing me learn with England, time. Me no work, me no black people, you know, guys. When it come onto the market, me turn white. Yeah, son, no man, go and hold it. When it comes onto the market, me is a white somebody. When it come on to job, me a white somebody. I learned that when me just come to England. Timing is everything. So all of this, you could push up your so no miss it out. No miss out on it. No, me not promise nobody say the market I could push up for the rest of the evening. Cause it did do a nice push there so. Me not tell you no lie. Yeah, you have to go wait, Jamie. Get ready for enter. So for those who are just coming on, you can enter NQ or MNQ for the buy. So NQ or MNQ for the buy. I'm not calling out anything else. Make sure you're only clicking on one contract, no more than the one. So if you had just entered, make sure that you're only on one contract and one only. Do not double up on it, especially on the NQ. All right. So we are going to watch this for the time being. And then we are going to call it a day for today until later on. Right, so we have a little bit of pullback going here, so.
Angels who don't wanna live in harmony. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me.
Okay, princess.
Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, so that.
First, just have some patience and wait until the market push back up.
As they can't trust me, bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, yes. Although they have dug their pits and are waiting to see me fall in it. Yes, they've got great power, so without your help, I know I suffer. Hear me while I call on you and help me to conquer. Only you are fair. Be with me everywhere. They're trying to see me fall, but with your jaw I stand. Ooh, yeah. Bless me. Oh, Jah bless me. Bless me, mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me, mighty Jah, bless me. Yes. Why should a man choose to live his life this way? Yes. All you wanna do is fuss and fight every day. Each day you get up, you fuss and quarrel. Oh. Dumping your brothers in deep waters and barrels. Sisters informing and sisters, sons murdering mothers. Fathers hate to see the very sight of their own children.
Right, we're going to watch a camp here, guys.
So that they can trust me, bless me, bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, bless me, bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, bless me. So that they can trust me, bless me, bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, bless me, bless me. And the name of
Hit pause on visible skin aging. Within minutes, number 7's Prime Forever reduces skin aging activity for 24-hour preservation. So over many months, skin looks as if no time has passed.
Some roads are J, hey. And it's how you say, hey. Oh, yeah.
I just go where the train goes. Then be love with my friends and fall. It's just a fall. I'm curious.
Hi, Kanisha, morning. You come just in time. You can enter NQ for the buy. You come just in time, just in time. You miss out on the push-up though. You miss out on all of this push-up not too long ago. Yeah, the time frame doesn't have anything to do with it. Just enter the trade. Oh, you're in already? Oh, you're in 2,500 worth of profit. You was on before. Oh, you just come on.
I got that sunshine river then.
Just a steam pepper pot 20 screw. At least a shrine if you got 30 food, so go tell the machine them can't stop where we go now. Information you think on your own, or else you're recite the things that you know. But do you know if you learn every day, so be careful of things where you're sad.
Who knows?
Right. So let me just explain something, guys. If you blow the account, guys, if you log in and it says inactive on Alpha, or if you're on Funnenex, or if you're on Top Step, if it says inactive, you'll have to purchase another account. Right. These are the rules when you buy the new account, guys. When you're on the evaluation process, so let me pull up Alpha Futures right here so we can explain something to you guys. Right, so let me explain something to you guys. Wait there, Alpha Futures. Because especially for those persons who are new, for the older set of people, them are supposed to know the rules them by now. May I talk to the new people them? Right. For those who are on the advanced plan, right, the advanced plan, the 100K, right, you have 3,500 to play with, right? What do I mean by play with? Which means, say, if the money go down to the 3,500, your account is blown and it goes into inactive. That means, say, you have to go buy a new account. Right, here are the rules. If you're in any trades, because when you have the bigger account, you can take the mini pairs, which is the NQ, or if you want to stick to the smaller version, if you're just starting out, which is the MNQ, you can start out with the MNQ and then you can work your way up. Right? I think that's what me I could do for the new people them. Right? For those who are on a fairly new account, stick to the MNQ for now. When you build up on the money, then you can take the NQ later on. Yes, the NQ is nice because you can make money with it quick. Yeah, son. To be honest, guys, when we buy the account them, me not trade the smaller pairs them. That's just the truth. You understand? Right. Me not gonna say everybody have the money can always buy back a next 100K account because they're costly. But bear in mind, when you do buy back a next account and you pass it and you're ready to get your payout, are the nicest feeling because you end up making back the money where you use and buy 2 account or 3 account already. You understand? So for the money, you're not going to sit down and worry about, work with the smaller pairs them. Right? Nice. So, on a 100K account, you have 3,500 to work with. Now, if you're in any trades or any trade, right, you are going to stop out at 500 because you have 3,500 to play with yourself. You're going to cap out at $500 at a loss. If you don't follow me, you cannot go wrong. You saw Kenisha, so Kenisha come in the group and she passed her account within, well, less than a week and get the live account. It's just because she got distracted while she blew the account. 2 days, she come in and knock out the 100K account. Right? So it's possible for everybody to get done. Yeah, son. 2 days she come in, 1, 2 trade, pass the account, dip on the live account. If everybody follow my same instructions, you cannot go wrong. If you're on the 100K account, if you're in 5, all right, let's push it up a little bit. If you're at $1,000 in loss, close out, as I came off close out in $1,000 negative, can I re-enter back the trade? Yeah, son, if we see a next setup, then we can re-enter back. Right? That's number 1. Right. Number 2, if you're on a small account, we'll go back to the big account then when we finish. If you're on a small account, such as the 50K on the advanced plan, your maximum drawdown limit is $1,750. If you're at a loss at 500 and this, close out the trade and then we can look for your next re-entry. For those who are under the 0 plan, right, account, this one coming at daily loss guard. So if the daily loss guard is $1,000, you're going to cut it down to half. That means, say, if you're at a loss of 500, you understand? Then you close out at the 5 and leave the remaining 1,500 to play with later on. So if you lose 500 in a New York session, you're then going to come back on Asian session, trade, make it back up. You're back up in the green with the $2,000. That's it so far. For the 150K account now, right? With this one, you have 5,250 to play with. As I said to you guys, the bigger the account and the more money you have to play with, right? So the 150K account, you have 5,250 to play with. If you are lost at 2,000, I'd say 1,500, you understand? You have a little bit more to play with, so you can extend what going in the market. Right? If you want to do 1,500 or if you want to do 2,000, if you do 2, then that means you have 3,250 to play with. Left to build up back on the account. You understand? So these ones, the advanced plans, they do not come with any daily loss guard. So you have to make sure you watch the trade. Now, here's the next thing. If you don't know you're not busy, no take no trade and left it. Because the market is very volatile, and by the time you left it and gone about your business, your account blow. Or the account already reached down to the daily maximum drawdown already. That means that the account gone and you can't trade back on the account again. You understand? So when you enter these trades, and then what you can do as well, as soon as you see any form of profit, grab and go. Grab and go. Grab and go. So you have to do it, guys. You cannot. You understand? You cannot leave the trade unattended with the futures peers. That's why I have the live sessions. You understand? Because it don't make sense me drop trades in the chat. Because not everybody can see it and people can see it late and end up getting in when the market a pull back on them. You understand? So for those persons who have a 150K account, if you want to do 2K video drawdown, once you reach 2K, you close out. Leave the remaining 3,250 for go and build up back pan again. Once you go back in the green, then you can start trading back NQ. For those who are on the 100K account, right, your daily last guard, right? You know, I've none on there, but we have create one. We have created it in our head. You can either work with $500 or $1,000. So if you work with 1,000, then you have 2,500 left. If you work with 5, that means you only have 3,000 left. Right? So you guys have to choose. You understand? But bear in mind, when you're on the bigger account, sometimes when you're in the trades them, the market only a pull back for retest where it come from for go back up. You understand? So the bigger accounts then play out better because you have more leverage for work with. Right? For those persons who are on the 50K advanced plan, 500 you have to work with and you left the remaining out of the 1,750. For those persons who are on the zero plan, the $2,000 accounts, whether you're on Alpha, Top Step, or Funding Next, right? If you reach $500 at a loss, close out and save the account. Then you have 1,500 left. By the time you come on to Asian session, you can make back that 500 and build it back up in the green. By the time you back up in the green, you still stick to the normal pairs, not the high pairs them. Only persons who are under 100 and 150K account should be trading with the NQ and the ES. All right? For those persons who are on the small accounts, stick to MES, MGC, MCL, and MNQ. Right. So I hope everybody understands so far. We did talk about the payout the other day. If you're under 50K account, you should be making anything from $500 to $600 per day. For you to qualify for the account, $500 to $600 per day, Monday to Friday. All right? Everybody with me so far? Anybody want me to go over anything? Right. And next thing as well, guys, the sessions, make sure that you're coming onto the sessions on time. You cannot come on 40 minutes later, 30 minutes later, 26. All right, you saw the market just push up just now? Almost some of you guys just a chuckling. I understand, so everybody have them life, I no busy and rare, eh? You understand? But you choose to do trading. You have to adhere to the times. You cannot come on half an hour later when the market don't move already. Because now put an account at risk. If you don't come on late, I'm not calling out no trades. So you have to make sure so now come on the sessions on time, as in as soon as the market open, we're there. So you know, saw me early? I'm early like the white people that work at hospital. For them shift. When them say shift start 8 o'clock, you have to turn up 8 o'clock. You have to do that before 8. You cannot just scroll in 8:15 or 8:30. When them done allocate and then give all of the bad patients them, because them used to do me. I never used to be late in about the first couple of days, me used to be late. And them used to give me the bad patient them out of the door. And the rest of the nurse them take the good patient them. So you have to make sure so you come in on the sessions on time. These markets volatile. So by the time you say press buy, you need to be in there ASAP. Not 5 minutes later, not 10 minutes later. That's why I don't drop trades in the chat. Because people will see them late and get in not knowing, yes, son, if they should get in yes or no. That's why I do the live sessions. If you don't realize, most of the people when you see on TikTok at the futures, live sessions them do. This one, you know, don't know, this is not like Vix or like forex where you drop trades in a chat. No. This one, even Vix, Yes, and people have to make sure so them come on the session. Because by the time me call out the trade pan the call and me take it and drop it in the chat, the trade gone already. Yes, son. So anybody enter, yes, and them probably enter upon one look pull back or them enter later or whatever the case may be. That now not to do with me. That's why I offer the sessions them. You understand? So you have to make sure so you're attending the sessions on time, guys. Me not like the whole idea of people coming on late, but me understand that some people setting an alarm. Yeah, son. If you come on to the session and the trade already gone, yeah, son, sometimes we not call it out. Like how we see NQ push up right now, me say, all right, then we take a little chance and we can call it out for those persons who are just coming in. Yeah, son. But ideally, me not, if you come on late, me not call out trades. Yeah, right now, we not trade at our own risk. Yeah, son? Right. That's number one. Number two, how much number two work for the day? Right, on to the next point. When you guys are in profit, grab and go. So if you want to see $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $1,200, $3,000, $1,000, any amount of money, grab and go. You understand? It will cut down what you need to make for your target. So say for example, if you're on the 150K account, your target is 12,000, right? You're on 2 days or more, right? Because you can't make all of the money in one go. You're on 2 days or more, right? You're allowed to only make half of the money in one day and half the next day. You understand? So say for example, we need to make 12,000 here, so you cannot make $12,000 in the 1 day, you have to do it in a 2 day. So you make 6 today and 6 tomorrow. I say go? Yes. If you're on the 100K account, you need to make 8 in a 2 days or more. You make 4 today, 4 tomorrow. Or if you want to break it down in a syllables, you understand? You make 1,000 for 8 days. Right? For the 150K, you make 1,000 in a 12 days. All right? For those who are on the 50K account, you need to make 4,000. You can make, all this work now. You make 2 today and 2 tomorrow. Or if you want to break it down in 4 days, 1 today, 1 tomorrow, 1 the next day, 1 the next day, cut it down in 4 days. Right? Or if you're trading on MNQ, the smaller versions for the smaller account them, then you can trade on the MNQ. You understand? You can make 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 the next day, 5 the next day. You take them and cut it down, cut it down, cut it down. Or if you see profit, you understand? If you see 100, 200, 100, 200, 100, it will cut down nicely. Within 1 week, you can cut it down. All right? Nice. For those who are under the 50K zero plan, you need to make 3,000. You can do it in a 1 day or more. The only thing with this why I don't promote the 50K zero plan account is that you have a daily loss guard on it. And it also comes with a consistency rule on the live and the qualified account. So that's why I don't promote this around here because runners are PN. PN. Yes, it's easy to pass it. Yes, and you have 3,000 for make, you can make it in a 1 day. 1 NQ you put on, and you understand, you end up making it. Right? Now bear in mind, on this zero plan account, when you pass it and you go up on the live account, you cannot go over the 40% consistency rule. That's why I'm not promote it anymore. Because I realize that people within a trades and them go over it, and you have to go trade for make up back for even it back out. And what if I work? Yeah, son. So that's why I'm telling you, say, get the advanced plan account, the 100K or the 150K, or if you can get the 50K, you understand? And there you just have to make sure so you trade neatly so you don't reach the 1,050. For me, you know, me is a risky trader. Me couldn't get the 50K account here. Because me I tell you the truth, in 1 day me blow it. So it's not a matter of fact that I don't have proper risk management. Me is a risky trader, so me not want to get in a no MNQ. Me not want to get in a NQ. Because me don't want to sit down in the market the whole day. So for me now, me either get the 100K or the 150K account. Right now, I'm on a 150K account. You understand? So right now, me have extra money on my account. So when I do trade, me can risk the one. You understand? Me can risk a little bit more pan NQ because I just NQ alone me are going now. Right? When you build up on the live account, you're allowed to, you understand, you can trade and you can leave the trade all day if the market a push up in your favor. You understand? So with me now, I make sure say, as long as me not go below the threshold where them say me not figure, I do not go below there. When me make the money now, me make sure me come out of the market and I mean that. Done for the deal. Alright? So, let's see what I go and run this now. So NQ is put it back a little bit, guys. So we have to walk on. So as you can see right here, on the 1 minute, we have the red box pop up right here. Right? We are look for if you're still in, still stay in. If you're out, then we are wait for your re-entry right here. So all right, so I hope I do make that clear for everybody. All right. So I think we answer Kim's question already. All right. Nice. So yeah, so but on the 50K zero plan account, you need to make anything from $500 to $600 per day. Nothing over that. Yes, son. And the bigger accounts and the advanced 100K and the advanced 50, 100 and 150K, you can make any amount of money on the live account. Any amount. It doesn't have any cap. The goal is, guys, for everybody to get a payout. You understand? That's the goal. I've had persons in my group before, never listen, and when they don't listen, them get up with their feelings and come out of the group. But if you don't follow instruction, you cannot go wrong. Me I tell you now what me I do. You understand? Me might be a little bit more advanced traders for you, but if you understand, if you stick to the basics, you can get a payout, guys. You understand? I don't withdraw all of my money one time from Alpha Futures, because like me say, me have a couple things where me I work on, and you understand, but me still withdraw for make them say me I withdraw out of the account. So me withdraw piece. But if you guys follow instructions, you will get there. If you know you're busy with work or school, do not put on no trades. If you know you're cook, you have your phone with you, the trading view, you connect your trading view to it, carry the phone in the kitchen and while you cook, you watch the trade. If you see minus 500, if you see minus 1,000, if you see minus 2,000, you close out and say, all right, Kim, me close out at a loss, can I re-enter back the trade? You understand? And so we are going to cut down these things, guys. With futures, God bless 0.1% people get payout. 0.1%. There's not a lot of people who get payout from this. And this is how the platform they make their money. You understand? If you're brand new and you just get started, yes, expect to lose one and two account. That's normal. You understand? Because if you did put that money if you did put that money in your live account, in your live MT5 account, that the money they got in a split second. Not even 1 day, split second. One pullback by Nazar US 30 or gold, it gone. Like a summer mouth. You have to go put back in one next $300. I want next 5, I want next 4. Yes, and I want next 1,000. But with run here, so you use other people's money for less. Yes, and you're using other people's money for less to trade with. Right? So when you pass the account, all you have to do is take your time. 1-1-1-1-1-1 trade. 1-1-1-1-1-1 trade. Until the Friday come, you can hit the withdraw button up at top there. So no look on the money where you use and spend by the account, guys. As soon as you pass the account, your company session, 1 trade today, 1 trade. Because when you're on the live account, you don't need to come back every session, guys. If your target is to make $1,000 or more on the 100K or the 150K account or the 50K account, once you make your money, you're done for the day. Me don't want to see nobody on the live account for no other sessions unless the market wasn't moving for that session. So, if you come on Asian and the market not move none at all, and whenever enter no trades, then that's it. Then you come on London session. If the market are moving London session, then you make one piece of change, you're done for the day. Right there, so you don't need to come on New York session because you done already hit your target for London. Back to Asian. If you come the next day now, right? Because you don't need to come back Asian again. Because you already make, actually, yes, you do. Because them classify Asian, them classify the reset as a new day. So yes, you come back at Asian, let's say you make one money per Asian. You don't need to come on London, you don't need to come on New York. Everybody with me so far, that's when you're on the live account. Right, let me secure my profit here, so. That's when you're on the live account. When you're on the live account, you don't need to come on all 3 sessions. Choose one will work for you and stick to it. Yes, and I'm at 4th. You close out your profit, Kenisha? 3,500 to pass. Nice. All right, so we still await for your break and close. So this is what I was saying, guys. Grab and go. Grab and go. For those who are still in the trades, we're still waiting for it to push up some more. Yes, and after this, then we finish for the day and then we come back on for Asian session. You don't eat, okay, go and hold it for a little bit. We are going to watch this one, this candle. And that's how you do it, guys. You understand? So the more you can take from the market, and the more you're closer to your target. You understand? The more you take, the more you grab. The more you grab, and the more you understand, you get closer to your target. Right, so 1,200 left to pass. All right. For those who are under evaluation, how much you guys have left to pass in the account? So one done is at 1,2. Who else is close to passing their account? I believe it was one done and Kerry. Who else? So if we can get this push up, then one done you're supposed to can pass this today. Just need a little bit more volume. Now the market kind of slow down because you understand the big injection coming at the market. The move that we caught earlier, those are the big hedge funds them coming come drop their money in the market and gone. So you see the market go slow down a little bit until when you're ready for run off again. Yes, so that's why I say coming on the sessions are early are very important. Because you don't want to get in the market when it's slow down. The market does not will run all day. You understand? The injection when them just put in the market just now, run up the market, slow it down, because them take their money already, them take them profits. So now the market slow down, there's not enough volume in there now. You understand? Unless one next big hedge fund come in and drop in one next trillion, and then it run again for the rest of the day. That's how it work. You understand? Certain times of the day, me not trade because volume out of the market completely. You understand? All right, I need 3.5 to pass. All right. All right, I'm going to pass mine later. All right. So if we don't see anything else setting up for the rest of the day, we'll leave it and that's it. You understand? Because we don't want to make your money and give it back. And so this work. Right. Say MGC, push up right there, so come back down here, so come find support. Be a nonsense tag along with the run here, so. Absolutely rubbish. If we set up back again, then we can re-enter, but we can go and watch it and see what's going on. But be a foolish tag along with it. From Sunday, we are be a nonsense. With the strategy, call out the buy, the sell. Confuse that come around here, dear. Confuse that come. Right. With this now, we see what along that John shop here, so now. We'll go and watch that candle here. That'll push up nicely. That'll push up nicely. Now we that for set up. All right, so we are going to watch this for the time being, guys. All right. If it's a case where you see, if you're still in the trade and if you see that it's that if you see that it's reaching back to your target, close out and then we wait for a re-entry. You better we save the account more than sit down in there and make the market a push down and we, you understand? Well, watch out as soon as we start attack it a push up. But I want to tell you something here. Work your body up as a no ramp with man. Sure. Nonsense. Queer. Right. For anybody that's out of it, out of NQ, get ready for re-enter back. Same goes for MNQ, guys. Right. You can enter NQ for the buy now. NQ or MNQ. Right. All I needed was a break and close above this area. All right. Everybody in, everybody in. But those who are in already, then you don't need to re-enter back again, guys. Because we add on one next contract on it. You don't need that. If you were already in, stay in the trade until they push back up to the entry. Don't enter a next position. It will put on a next, it will add on a next lot size. You want lot size. It will add on a next contract size on there. So don't do that. If you're in already, stay in. All right. So this is us right here. Let's see if we can, yes, and finish the day strong, and that's it for the day. So we have a little bit more volume coming in. Nice, nice, nice. We have 1 minute and 43 seconds left on the scan. Go, aye, watch ya, boy. All right, music time now. I want to do the music right now, so. Right. And next thing as well, guys, if you guys do need any help, right, in the group, you can ask questions. If I'm not there to answer the question straight away, guys, anybody can answer the question in the group, right? It's not only myself, right? So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask questions in the group as well. Yes, and if somebody know the answer, they will answer in the group. All right. If I'm available, then I can reply straight away. If I don't see me answer straight away, then somebody else can answer a question in the group. All right. But close, do not sit down here and you have questions for ask and not ask no questions. You understand? They say close mouth do not get fed. And that's why we don't have much traders in the black community, because everybody like you understand, keep themselves to themselves. And also this thing work around here, so guys. Everybody is, you understand, everybody depend on the same mission for make money. And money with there so for defend the bread. All right? Nice, nice, nice.
But we want God willing for it. We're not going under. I'll get you, get your money longer. We're ready. Now, straight from the never know that we're on way. Any treasure, only make up any weather. Every treasure, see you go back with the nigga. Any treasure, only make up any weather. Every treasure, see you go back with the nigga. Big big papa, watch it up propeller. The old speed up, and if you're not a leather. It's son, tell me, say no better, not that one. Let's see my forever. Moment, say sonny, no better with the power. He never listen what he never matter. So you wish I get to you, them a few as a shot of high badness. No matter for you, make me die. We not going on this. I get to you, get your money longer. Ready? Put it now, straight from the level now, make a run way. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you don't have it in the gun. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you don't have it in the gun. The bank book, I'm out in the sale. We don't have to look, me just stop and the match on the space. With the buckle of the miss and the black hands. Taking a hand, when you see me, you see. Conspiracy say me legal stronger. Make me get the coolness them with the bags. She take everything, only that the plan. No print, see me and Shabana. We not going under. I get the youth, get your money longer. Ready? Just pocket now, straight on the level now, make a run pay.
All right.
Every stretcher, if you go up within the gun, every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every stretcher, if you go up within the gun, if you watch it up in us, we know speed up, and you feel another leather. Son, and I tell we say no better, not they want let's see enough forever. Moving to Sonny, no better, we never listen, but it never matter. So you wish I get to you, them a few as a shot of high badness. No matter for you, make me die. We not going on this. I get to you, get your money longer. Ready? Now, straight from the level now, make a run pay. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you go up with the leather. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you go up with the leather. The bank book, I'm out in the same. You know, I feel up, me just stop and the match on the space. With the buckle of the miss and the black hands. Taking a hand, when you see me, you see. You see me legal stronger. Make me get the coolness them with the dance. She take everything, only that the plan. No print, see me and Shabana. We not going under. I get to you, get your money longer. Ready? Now, straight on the level now, make a run pay. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you go up within the gun. Every cheddar, only make up any weather. Every treasure, if you go up within the gun. We not going under. I get to you, get your money longer. Ready? We're pocket now, straight from the level now, make a run pay.
All right, all right.
Mr. Q Casino, we tell it how it is. When players win, they love Q. When players lose, hate Q. There you have it. Yeah.
Everybody up. Get them all. Everybody up. Yeah, get them all.
And a few times, mosquito, go over the song. All right. An easy road. And it's and a rose. It does. Come to Bojo. Not an easy road. Right. Behind it. Come on, N2, work your body, man, work your body. That's what you're talking about. Work on.
I saw the thing I better rose. Oh, fears in lungs. Now I didn't better say these good. I don't need you wrong. I'm not a nigga. So the thing I better rose. Oh, fears in lungs. Now I didn't better say these good. I don't need you. Go to my food. I feel this. I need to work. That's this. I need to get the balls out. Lives are already you got to say I do on your vacation. Sitting out for tired. Be a time, if there be a prayer, be a religion, right? All that's really by my family. It's not that easy road. It's not that easy road. It's not that easy road. I'm building my money with touch and never. No, it's no nice. I hate it. No, my friend. I never. Oh, my God, so over there. My bad. I did not tie it up. He's not that. What's my head up? He's not. Oh, no, no, not good. Not good. It's not that good. It's not that easy, man. I'm not going to think of that. It's sad. It's it now. That it sounds that it's good. An easy man. Oh my God, so when this guy,
No. Why, oh, why? Right, left, right, just so just a home. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Send by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know you start with crew, soldiers, facility, armies, helps. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. Then I say, ask me so, I did not buy to win a warning. The people them a bad when them higher than mediocre. People you go fall when you turn 90 over. Even from down, for them life no easy boat. Even you got a alright, you find them a jalan. All in all soldiers, you find it Catalan. They write in your chapter, but panics can't do it alone. So I'm recruited. Don't just come from near and far and to it's sick.
You're crazy. You have to run them tune. You can't play them tune at one time. You think I know crabby tune them here? Run it again.
Right now. Why, why? Right, left, right, just those just a home. Left, right. Hey. Just, oh, yeah. And then say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Send by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. Yeah, may I start your crew. Soldiers, facility, armies, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. Then I say, ask me so, I didn't know should we not want the people them up.
Right. 51S for the buy, guys. 51S for the buy. For those who are trading VIX. Yes, I not remember about Vix me there, with us in tune with futures.
People are go fall when we find night is over. Believing from down, for them life not easy over. Even one time, but it's not an easy road. Pray, time occupy them as a gun. All in all soldiers to find it as a gun. They write in your job plan, but panics can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting. Soldiers coming from near and far, I choose. Executing. Since I work and the other far, I choose. Unless I hear comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. I wanna start with two soldiers, facing I say I am his child. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know for us is you, I didn't have a issue in a warning for. When we bring the one that red, green and gold. It is such a honor that the season fold. It's covered on stones, on trees and straw. And even in the soul that she's a soul. Oh, Rasta, you must be every year. Can't sit down, that I send me few words. You can have in a wrong, that I send me few church. But I can't do it alone. So just coming from there and far I choose. Executing. Still I see I work from the Lord the Father. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You know you started to. So that's fixing I see I am inside. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. Then I say, ask me so. I didn't have right, so we not want it. Left and right, that's all that I come. Left, right, that's all that I come. And we don't never show it down. Hey, come left, right, that's all that I come. Left, right, that's all that I come. Just want to know. Here comes trouble, my friend. And here comes the down. Don't stop for rest and me talk. I saw we sent by the Savior. Here comes trouble, my soul. Here comes the down. Here comes trouble. Here comes the danger. Here comes trouble.
All right, guys, we're still holding different, guys. We're still holding creator. One hold it, guys. One hold it.
Then by the Savior, welcome the Rasta.
Good energy, people. Good energy bring money. Yeah.
We all need 10 for £100.
Aye. Too low, man. Too low, girl. Go down there, so. Right.
Be still, all the enemies of Jah.
Right. That's what we
Lord,
have.
God of the Almighty shall
Dog we are jogger. Dog we are jogger.
Jah! Rastafari, I listen first. Oh, let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them also that hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive
Right.
away.
Guys, how much you know up buying a profit? How much you guys up in a profit, guys? How much are you up in profit? How much are you up in profit? All right, we just have the arrow pop up right here. Right, 475, 500. All right, all right, all right. Secure on the profit, guys. Secure profit, and then we'll re-enter back. Secure profit, and then we'll go re-enter back. Right. Secure on the profit. Everybody out the trade. Everybody out. Everybody out. We'll look for re-enter back above this area. So we are going to knock it down. Right. Right. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Right. So we are waiting for your next and next break and close above this area. So we have to go and knock it down. We have a little bit of time. 95, okay, go and close it out.
What's melted before the fire, so let the wicked perish in the presence of God. But let the righteous be glad. Let them rejoice before God. Yea, let them exceedingly rejoice. Sing unto God. Sing praises to his name. Extol him that rideth on the heavens. By his name. Jah, Rastafari, I listen last the first. O Father, strength of the deeper, who lives and rules and reigns over all things. Father of the fatherless and the judge of the widows is God in his holy habitation. God set up the solitary families. He bringeth out those which are bound with chains. The rebellious dwell in China. O God, the Rastafari, Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, when thou wentest forth before thy people. When thou did march through the wilderness, Selah, the earth shook, the heavens also dropped at the presence of God. But even China itself was moved at the presence of God, the Rastafari, Selassie first, God of Israel. Go for God, the Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, did send a plentiful rain, whereby thou did confirm thy inheritance when it was real. Thy congregation hath dwelt therein. Thou, O God, the Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, has prepared of thy goodness for the poor. The Lord God, the Almighty, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, gave the word. Great was the company of those that perished in. Kings of armies did flee at pace, and she that tarried at home divided the spoil. Though ye have lain among the pots, yet shall ye be as the wings of a dove covered with silver, and her feathers yellow gold. And Almighty God, Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, scattered kings in it. It was like snow in Salmon. Hill of God, Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, it is the hill of Bashan. A high hill at the hill of Bashan, wide deep the hills. This is the hill which God, the Rastafari, and Selassie first desired against. Yet the Lord God, the Almighty, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, will dwell in it for favor. The chariots of God are 20,000, even thousands of angels. The Lord God, the Almighty, and Selassie, Father, strength and redeemer, it's among them, as they shine light in the holy place. Thou hast ascended on high. Thou hast led captive the captive. Thou hast received gifts from man. Yea, for the rebellious also. But the Lord God, the Almighty, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, might dwell among them. Blessed be the Almighty God, the Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, who paid indeed us with benefits. Even the God of our salvation, Selah. He that is our God is the God of salvation. And unto God, the Rastafari, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, Lord, belongeth the issues from death. But the Lord God, the Almighty, and Selassie, O Father, strength and redeemer, shall wound the head of his enemies. Here is scalp of such a one.
All right, we got Garnet Silk.
1 hour for me.
That's just my camera over there. I read business here. All right, guys, we'll get ready for re-enter back NQ for the buy. Hey, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Kuya, 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 kuya. I can't put on business. I got to run. So when you put on say kuya, 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 when you see we with the fire, watch ya. Wait for we. And stop going so. Sure. What is not this up on my chariot so long? Yeah, we are waiting for NQ for get in. Not yet. We're waiting for the break and close right here.
This is one that come from them. So me say, talk to them. And them say them are your virgin, I get it. Them is another friend. Talk to them. Them have the plastics and all the one they go like we get. Talk to them. Hypocrite parasite back back in a feet and a sheep. Talk to them. You may have to be no reason like Daniel in that lion then. Talk to them. When big things are going to say them are your right, and if nothing I want the same man you get right, and holy God lead them what I can. How to take out and the fruit was right, but I'm young. I'll watch out for them. When them said them are your virgin, I get it, them is just another friend. Watch out for them.
Right, get ready, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready. We have 13 seconds left on this scan. 13 seconds. Get ready, get ready. All right. 2 seconds, 1 second. Right. NQ for the buy, guys. NQ or MNQ for the buy. NQ or MNQ for the buy. Everybody in, guys? Everybody in? So what I'm gonna say, because then I could can get just a push up, so you know. Traders place 430 million bet on lower oil price before. We are with that, we know about that already. 57 minutes ago. Iran currently has no plans to negotiate with US Friday. Yeah. Trump extended that we read that already. Okay, nothing else, no new run here, so 10 hours ago, blah blah. Yeah. All right. So we just need a nice break and close above this area, and then these are the last going for the day until later on. Last going. Put that down to 2. All right. Right, everybody in, guys, everybody in. Right, so we'll work on the final push, and then we can come out for the day. So like it's been resting here. You understand? You know what say? They might plan to run up the market, right? So we're gonna do, yeah, so now I think we're gonna do this as a video, and then I'll drop the video in the group. Yeah, I think that I'm gonna do a training strategy, and then I'm gonna put it on school, guys, in the classroom. And oh yes, beneath it, send the link for the classroom inside of the group, so you guys can register for free. Because you guys in already. So once the register, once everybody in, then we put it back to the, because this is what I use for the payment method. I mean, if we switch up some things on there, so we change it over. All right. Come on, NQ, work your body, yes, work your body, yes. Now that's back to the music. I think I'm music. All right, next, on to the next juggling.
First, she thought it was a coincidence.
Then it advert an hour.
Turns out, community moves you. Quite literally.
Remember the rock away. Bye. The songs we right.
Someone's bound to someone's flowers for the show.
Rock away.
For the day
And what's yeah.
you dance so tight,
To the
something plays.
all right.
Come again,
Go
you
no.
just the same. Hey, And if you know that the thing is that one place that is right. We don't see where that one takes the time. And you and you hold your woman breathe close when smoke is fast the same. And take just 5 and get these spinners away. The real friend flame. And you let me drift away. Let me see the stab your baby gladly. We dance all night, so sleeping. We can never get you just the same. Right now, need a brand new start. Looking at what I need for from a and if there is such a place that I can go, but someone tell me that never saw it's the your way. You provide. There's so nothing to something do it just the same. Every song is your dance for the night, that's the same.
When thinking about your investment provider this tax year, it pays to see the bigger picture. At JP Morgan Personal Investing, you can tap into 150.
I would not trade people money and then not trade for them one. Come here for the lady.
Everything I feel. Yesterday you walked away with my heart thinking you could go along. I'm learning where you're from. But it's too late now. All the boats are closed.
Right. Stop it for the man now.
I gave you everything I thought. Now you're coming
All
back.
right.
It seems like you're running out of start. Baby, everything I've had. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of start. You never know what tomorrow will bring.
Rock on for me, rock on for me.
So when you're riding, I never you say bye.
I don't know what a big phone, yeah.
See her coming again. I gave you everything I thought. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stuff. Everything I've got. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stuff. Remember you were free. You shared your destiny. So you spread your bed. Oh, it's your feet, yeah. Everything I thought. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. It's too late.
Hey, firecracker.
All the thoughts are yours. You just don't know how love's me.
All right.
So when you're riding high, never you say bye. You were a friend. See you coming again. I gave you everything I've got. Now you're coming back. It seems like
Guys,
you're
51 is not to keep that on your song. Show them a shot, man. Hey. Good here.
Now you're
Good day.
coming back. It seems like you're
Good day, I make some money. Ah, yeah, big tune them there. Too much baga baga. We can't take too much baga baga in my ears when my ear all time. All time music. Today what? Wednesday? Hold on, me check today. Come in and the days of the weekend, guys. Old school Wednesday, yes, today Wednesday. Thanks to the heart me. Or them free up the gifting something. Or part them. Cause they suspend my gifting now. I saw them stay around here, so. Then yes, a TikTok I put on my pot for fire in England and pay my bills. Yeah, they suspend it for about 3 days. But they probably got one suspension. I don't know why. I think it's because I was showing my screen. Them not like when me I show certain things on the normal life. But if me have my TikTok studio now, which them suspend to, then we can use over the stuff we share where we are share. But you know when we share anything on the normal life. But them confused like myself here.
But I love you.
We did that talk about the tune.
Stop.
You may not be a moving star. You may not drive
Alright.
big fat star, but I love you in every way.
Listen, I just pulled up the tune. And now if you send money going for pull up the tune, I mean now. Oh.
What's the next one up in me? Stop.
You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big fat star, but I love you in every way. I love you.
Alright.
I don't know why. Oh, why? Don't know why. Oh, why?
Someone in the world in a drive a fast car.
Oh, yes.
But it's about how we come from far. I'm the only Abu one. I'll try to go. Not moving in your time. Don't start.
Hold on, guys. Guys, did anybody secure any profit just now? Anybody did secure any profit just now when it pushed up? I want to see in our trade. We are getting a little fight, yes, so you know, we are getting a little fight right here. We are going to watch this candle and see what's going on. We're getting a little fight. So, down here says our previous support. We are watching it and see what's going on. We just need this candle for push up. If we can get it push up a little bit over this, then we close out and that's it for the day, guys. So we are going to watch it for now.
Stand on like a bitch, snap up with you, and I make you regret. The person I say, there's no other life. Something in the world, woman is crazy.
I love you in every way. I don't know why. Oh,
I know what endless living was. Let them know, and now what you with them said. He hears no sense in the eye of them.
I don't know why. Oh, my
From far, when they only have me one hour shirt and go on. You bring me in and your time from skirt. At the DJ, they find the earth me now. Let the ocean woman have a sugar. Turn your love like a bitch, not a fish, bitch. The way you dress, like that affirmative. The personality, you no other life. There's your body pattern in the world, so you're grace. I want my life to it's one in a million. I'm taking the house right. If me say your next man, I'm trench fast from the plantation. I'm the know they have you. I know what you got to get so funny. In the island, that Ruby, that world, the residence for man to the in the world. They go to taxi and me a world. I'm there now.
So our next big tune, yeah. We are select today. That's
Dirty dishes piling up.
them advert are killing me. I tell you the truth. Now, I mean, I pay for the premium now. I'm money YouTube. I'm look at me. I look money too. Not can go so. So we are going to mute the something them. Right, guys. NQ is pushing back up, guys. Them I look money at me. I look money too. Them not easy. Come on, work nobody else.
Yeah, I want to sing you.
I can't come to people. All right.
Talk to you, but it's not the same.
Channel.
I said you do.
Yeah, no, gonna shine out that door. All right.
And every time you whisper my name,
Oh, yeah, no.
I wanna run to you.
All right. Hey.
We'll be together.
Channel.
And it won't be long. It won't be long. But it seems like forever.
I can't come in. I can't keep that song.
And it's hard on my heart.
Yeah, no.
Baby, cause I'm missing you now.
Channel.
And it's driving me crazy.
Come
Cause
to.
I'm needing my baby.
Channel.
I need to see you now.
By your soul.
You we don't know.
Hey. Hey.
Here it comes on this
What Uncle Sanchez? What are talking about?
Oh, needing you right here by my side.
Watch out.
Is all that I can do. I'm around my pillow at night. They should be only you.
Watch and go, watch and go, watch and go, watch and go.
I was much stronger. How could I know? How could I know? But it seems like forever.
Alright.
And it's hard to be strong. Baby, cause I'm made to sing to you now. And it's driving me crazy. I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. Yeah. And we right now, we right from now next to me now. And I'm missing you now. And it's driving me, baby. I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. In a way that I'm alone with you, baby, when I'm missing you now. Yeah. Seeing you right till by my side. You know that I can do.
That was a nice big photo, so. Let's walk along that Josh up so now. There they come off of this. Right, advert time, you see? As the song don't play advert. You can't even go 2 songs go though. Nonsense.
Yeah, well, you know, change up, you know. What really? Yeah. We make it put it, you know, maybe anything, yo. What be a bit, oh. We make it put it right and conquer, then you spawn with two. What really? Yeah. We make it.
Right, next tune.
Whoa.
Over there.
Hey. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Oh, well. Hey. I promise I'm not going to take down and a bunny gun.
Left song, yeah.
I feel like come and tell me that no right.
Alright.
Mr. Make on it and what's it on the right? What? Mr. Then come in and them lip on it. Them say, hey, not it, dreadlocks, where you come from? You must have 2% it under your tongue. He said, oh, happy so Lord, you must be made. He only smokes cigarette and strictly shag. Oh, sing it. Oh, well. Hey. Under me sense me, 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 under me sense me. Oh, all over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Them no wrong with me. I strictly sense all over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh. Hey, Babylon, you know like ganja man, but so we bring the foreign currency on the island.
Hey.
To Babylon, no better charge me, sir. To Babylon, no better charge me, sir. 1,000 miles per year, club me start. To Babylon.
Next tune. Alright. Did you see the movement, guys? The movement.
Hey, bring it on.
Wow.
Hey, whoa.
Come now.
bring me along. Another sound is dying. Whoa, bring me along. Another sound is dying. Whoa, hey, some songs don't like nothing jump on. Hey, listen to the sound of the champion. Rock me down in any session. Hey, of the woman, rock of the man. Bring me along. Another sound is dying. Whoa, yay, bring me along. Another sound is dying. Whoa, hey, Tito with me, them all in a row. Now you are what about you already know. Whoa, Tito with me, them all in a row. The first one, what about already know. Bring me along. All right, another sound is dying. Whoa, hey, bring me along. Another sound is dying. Whoa, hey. Or big sound in a one big lawn. Hey, dance on a play the other big or big sound in a one big lawn. One sound a play the other big farm. Bring me along. And how the sound is dying. Whoa, hey, remember this sound in the dark of the town, dark of the country. Hey, rock me Sir Charlie, rock me Munchie, hey, dark of the country. Oh, bring me along, and how the sound will die. I know, bring me along, and how the sound is suffering. Oh, hey, watch the song on a timber, hey, watch the song on a freight. Watch the sound on a timber, hey, watch the song on a freight. And bring me along, now the sound is dying. I know, bring me along.
So our next big tune, yeah.
Need to refuel her.
That is. I'm out later. I made 1,360 for today. Okay, nice. All right, see you later on, Fras. Nice. So you make back up your money, nice man. All right. Anybody else in a profit? Anybody else secure profit? We have 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, guys. 2 minutes. We are trying to see if we can get it above. Well, I know we are going to try. We're waiting to see if this is a correct word. We're waiting to see if it's going to give us the break and close. We're not trying to say nothing because I know we control the market. So we're trying to see, or we're waiting to see if we can get a break and close above this red box. It's fighting the good fight right here. So we are waiting to see them with you. Hi, guys. Right, so we have 1 minute and 34 seconds left on this candle because we walk up on here, so. We have to talk about the tune.
Say no say. Original one there, man. Hey, green was on the Sarah. How want you make way for the body later? Cause if you don't, my friend, then your number is 0. Them lyrics are stuff like this. Should I see me with a Colorado? When I walk up the front Panera. When they down, sit up, pick up another on the caravan station. 0. Now we're coming in the belly car. And belly come up up in the mirror. They want to jump in a bit to the feeling, but because they feel over my show. 0. My China's doing the tequila. Right. Sounds up in sweet chiquita. I tell everyone, let's start a senorita. I am a professor. 0. You should never diss champion. No. My name is Futures, I'm the Dandogger. Yeah. How you make me body balance? Because if you don't, my friend, then your number is 0. Them lyrics such a play, it's all sound. Make a little tune from me, banjo. Make a little walking head for soul. Tell them if we take it down low, cause this is ain't no set show. 0. Right. Them a watch the picture make me bad sound. Them be wicked and they want Al Pacino. Them you come up and they say, well, I want it on the lyric, that's a move, so 0. Hey, green was and for 0. Make way for the bandolero.
Cause if you don't do that, my friend, then your number is 0. Cause every time I come now, get my physical 0. You should this something on. No, no. My name is Futures, I'm the God. Yeah, yeah. So can you remember the Pelican? A Pelican we go play up in the marrow. They want to jump in and mix us in one like say them over macho 0. But I just drink the tequila. That's when me hands up in sweet chiquitita. I tell everyone they start and senorita, I am a professor 0.
Next show one.
Nobody can save you. This is what my baby says of me, Lord. Oh, baby, she says she want a good life, want to cause her pain and strife. She want a good life, want to cause her pain and strife.
Oh, yeah.
She don't want no unsteady relationship. One way I walk like a rocking ship. One love that's steady as can be.
All right.
One that inspires memory. She want a good life. Because her pain and strife. She want a good life. Not to cause her pain and strife. She's been through and that of love. She says she loves her. She's been used and abused. But there's no more.
Stop it right there, so and pull it up. You're crazy. Run it again. And listen.
This is what my baby says to me, Lord. Oh, baby, she says she want a good life, want to cause her pain and strife. She want a good life, no matter cause her pain and strife. She don't want no unsteady relationship. One way I walk like a rocking ship. Want a love that's steady as can be. One that inspires memory. She want a good life, cause her pain and strife. She want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. She's been through and out of love, and she says she loves her. She's been used and abused, but there's no more time to lose. Oh no, because she want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. She want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. Yes, she wants a man that's filled with ambition. One who will sit down and set up a plan. The future is secure for all life long. She want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. To say she want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. For while she is a sweeter than Cleopatra, she's got style, she's got class. Any man would want to pass, but no. To say she want a good life, not to cause her pain and strife. You want a good life, you want to cause her pain and strife. She says she want a man to settle down, and a man who want to put in a head. She want a man to treat her right, not a man who want to come in late at night. She want a good life, to cause her pain and strife. She said she want a good life, to cause her pain and strife.
Right, guys, we're coming back up to the entry. We have 7 minutes left, and that can't be a fight, you know? Mr. That piece of can't be a fighty. It's like the devil hold it down the sign, but God I said, come up to me, child. No, me not joke. No, the devil hold the candle, you know. And it's like God up atop the so and God draw the candle. You look on these ones down here, say, you know, and the devil, this, you know, them are the devil. Yeah, son, and Jesus, as soon as he crossed the line, yeah, so above the box, I gotta call it this so. Yeah, son, they close to Jesus' doorstep. But the devil has said, no, come back down here, so come sell back juice and sky juice with me. Eh? Let's have a find my next song, yeah. Cause nothing can go so.
Dirty dishes piling up.
My God of Daniels. Tell them the advert, yeah. Jesus, take your kids and give me the pillow. Queer. My next advert. Right. Anybody in the profit, guys? These are the last final push. We are saying if this give us a nice break and close and we can stay in, we stay in a little bit longer. Yeah, son, but if we say it a weeky and the devil are dry it back down, we just close it out and that's it for today until later on. But we are going to watch a candle here because I need a break and close. I need a break and close above the red box right here. If we not give with the break and close above the red box, you understand? Might as well we grab what we can and run to Jesus. We still have 7 minutes left on this candle, 7 minutes. So any game can play in the 7 minutes or so. So we are going with it.
I can put the right and contact them who's bound with two. What we yeah. We make them put it there. Breaking up with anything.
And what is something I'm here?
We up with whoa. We make them put clean up the only way we got show. When I not.
There's some sizzle. Long time in a year, but you're from sizzle.
Cyanide well, see them go down, see them go down. I always try to listen your sound. And now, always remember, it's wrong in this time. Even when the righteous line, never let me get you down, keep the fight now. All the Sabbath you followed mankind. Remember, be strong in this time. Eden rage when the righteous climb. Never let them get you down. Keep your mind and only sugar that you pump. Everyone should know that your heart must be clean. Rasta love it when no joke righteous. Teach me get your youth of self-esteem. Stop me get your youth and family around. Failing to see us as to human beings. Say you're hard, need hard. Moving tough, maintaining a need for us, preventing bigotry you will stop rising up. So come we govern them the kings and queen, either not tremble, Italy love, we know it's a force Ethiopian streaming earth, for us in a sea, I put all your trust. Therefore, black woman, wake up from your dream in a fantasy world. Don't get stuck, but when I got on it in, one more is you. The young sergeants and them good now, but us pretend them so slave with more than being. Who can stop it? The revolution must cover the wicked man. So now, if I must forgive, that's a repatriation, that is a must. I am a little of the king, I sleep on the place of people in the organization. Put at the royal nation and not find the sea. But not of the land,
Yeah, what that song them there? What that song you know?
you're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now. Picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure. You lurk on every corner. Trying to make $1 from them quarter. But you won't even helping and prove to be my enemy. You can't even trust anyone. Gotta take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I gotta make my life so free. Seems you're down, but I'm good for me. Gotta take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I gotta make my life so free. Seems you're down, but nothing good
Yo, no.
Don't waste no time when you're behaving yourself up in the ground, my love. Oh,
was a finding you. Now tell me what you gonna do. When I'm not the one you deceive. Stupid things I do, I just can't.
We have to put it up again. So let's run it back again. Boy, back and come in. Right. Guys, we have 4 minutes left on this can go 4 minutes. We have to walk one in the next 4 minutes. Boy, it a fight the good fighters, I know. Me say they can't go them fight the good fighters. I say no, I don't want to go any further. Right. So if you push back up in a profit, guys, grab one you can and run. And that's us done for the day.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now. Making up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure. From your lyrics on every corner. Trying to make $1 from them quarter. Thought you were my friend, even helping and prove to be my enemy. You can't even trust anyone. I got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Gotta make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing but for real. Got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I gotta make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing but for real. No, it's no time when you're not behaving yourself up in the crowd, my love. Oh, I'm so finding you. Don't tell me what you gonna do. When I'm tired, not the one you distant. Stupid things I do, I just can't forget. Dreams you don't know what you really need. Thank you, humble like your receipt so sweet. I was there to motivate you. Sing to them to appreciate it. What is it just celebrate you to do the bad things I do, I really hate it. Got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Gotta make my life so free. Seems you don't good for real. I gotta take myself away from all these things that's hurting me.
That's still a here.
My life so free.
Hey, get up out of here.
The world is getting dangerous. Sickness and disease are very contagious. All these bad things happen, then you're saying for us. So help us out, then you pray for us. I've got to protect my life. I've got to protect myself. My heart cries within me. Love and respect is all you should be giving me. When you hate each other, you don't know what you're doing to me. If I allow this corruption, you're surely ruining me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I was there to motivate you. Seems you don't appreciate it. What is it that generate you to do the bad things that you are really hating? Got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. Got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. Got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real.
All right. We say find our next bad sister runner so. All right, guys, we get a break and close above. We are going to watch it and see what go on. Anybody in a profit? Anybody in profit? Give me a try. Oh, that go up the song there. But I don't know that song there. No other like John. Ah, it's one next bad tune here. Come here. Around so I keep. I can't bother. Sure. Nonsense. Right. Anybody in a profit, guys? Anybody in a profit? Not yet. As so far you did enter. All right. We're going to watch this and so we're going. Because boy, the amount of time where you sit down here, so this I can go most of it do something for you today. Yes, and again. No, sir. Me say they can't go them sit down. It look like them they need have stage show power. I will never know. Right. So our next batch on here.
On a rebel.
Run it.
Give thanks for grace of the most and King Selassie I
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
What? We don't know. Where are you running to now? To be responsible for what you do now. Nobody has that to feed you. So we where are you running to now?
Got to be responsible for what you do now.
Nobody has that to feed you.
You see something right in you. Wow, the people put that at the front in you. You know, we want to hear you sing. We be waiting and
Hey,
we love you.
love and unity is all it's true.
Yeah. Why won't you open your eyes?
Hey,
What do you want?
what?
Sing a me song.
Hey, hey.
And it's worth all that too.
I don't know where you're running to now.
I don't be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that can feed you.
Where are you running to now?
Got to be responsible for what you do.
What I know.
Don't buy the hands that can feed you. Away from I think you're from the side.
Run it again. You're crazy. It's true that can't be a one and two have a stone of party and keep yourself. Come on.
On a rebel.
Run it again. Run it again.
Give thanks for grace of the most and King Selassie I
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Boy.
Listen.
Boy. Where are you running to now?
To be responsible for what you do now.
Nobody has that
to feed you.
Where are you running to now?
Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't buy the hands that to feed you. You see something right in you. The people put that at the front in you. You know, we want to hear you sing. We be waiting and you will have something to say to you.
Love and unity is all it's true.
Yeah. Why won't you open your eyes? We got what we want. Sing a me song.
Right.
A bird and his work all that too. Where are you running to now? I to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that to feed you. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't buy the hands that to feed you. To turn away from I think you're in from the side. You want to see your pricing up the side. Because that's how you price. Really great. Put all along your take us for granted. We suspect the power that was handed you. We bring your findings with them to them. But even when you lock the door at them, now you get very ignorant. You want to turn your back on them. Even to every life, now you turn your back on them. Yo, where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the hands that to feed you. To turn away from where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do.
Don't buy the hands that will feed you. To turn away from God. You see something right in you. The people put that the fight in you. You know, we want to hear you sing. We've been waiting and you will love something to you. Love and you living all to that. Why won't you open your eyes? We got what we want. Sing on me tongue, don't be greedy. A bird in the hand is worth more than two.
All right, big up yourself, says la Colonji. All right, myself, it's fine. I'm more scissor when it's woman know. We don't know much design over there. No, come next artist. Next artist. We know the day to play about. Next artist now. Next artist. So one big tune, yeah? Everybody know that song, yeah? Come here.
You what?
Sure. Advert. Let me see what I can go on with. So we have 7 minutes and 52 seconds left on this Kanga, guys. 7 minutes. Wait, let's see a song happy. Come pull up. Big up Griffin Isaac, Brockland community people. Watch out on a Wednesday. You know.
Try your best just to make it quick. Woman, take you the same.
Watch out.
There must be something she can do.
Yeah.
The heart is broken in two.
All right. Oh no. Hey.
Tell her it's a case of emergency.
There's a patient by the name of Gregory. What is saying around here? Rock and come in. All right. What is
Only you alone can quench the sadness.
my nightmare?
Oh God,
What shadow?
oh the pain is getting worse.
Boy.
The one I've seen no doubt.
No doctor.
I need attendance from my nurse
Around
from
the
the
ground.
ground.
All right. We are know.
But there's no prescription for me.
Yeah.
She's the one, the only remedy.
All right. We are know.
Nightmare.
Right.
Oh, you alone can quench my shatters.
My nightmares.
Oh, the pain is getting worse.
What? Boy.
I'm hurt, my love. I wanna see no doubt.
That's the next day.
I need attendance from my nurse around the clock. But there's no prescription for me.
All right.
She's the one, the only remedy. Nightmare. You alone can quench the shatters.
What to say? By your soul.
My nightmare. Oh, the pain is getting worse. I've hurt my love.
Right. You know, say, be a foolish, this MTC, go on to do on yourself. Be a nonsense. You know what I'm saying, you know? Just did they cancel the dates. So this is when you're going to go John shop, that's all. See, I take time I push it up, that's all. And them still not come back on fill out, but them gap in at some point them will come back on fill it out. Wait till Trump make one two bad tweet around here, so. And as if in drop back out of the sky. Me notice, you know, say, I know, me believe what CNN did I say, regarding, so them said the CME and the FTC are investigate the traders them where make much million off of the oil drop last week or a couple weeks ago. So, I don't know if you notice, so if I go back in a history around here, so, right, each time oil reach up in the 100, right? Trump come say something and the market drop on oil. Right. The last time when it came all the way up to $115, I'm go up on the day time frame run so. So the last time oil came up to, so where are we? This is April. Yeah, so the last time it came up to $101, right? By the time Trump made the tweet and say, I'm going to destroy the people in the country, oil drop out of the sky. There was a big gap in the market before it dropped the next day. So see the day you make a tweet, and see the next day, which is the 8th, the 7th you make the tweet, and the 8th, the market just drop out of the sky. So this left from $101 goes straight down at $84. And so come the people make you much million out of the market. So they're saying it's insider trader. In some sense, it is insider trader because Trump are telling people what to do. You understand? So no say if he mentioned anything about armies, state of armies, Iran, anything to do with oil, if it was buying it, I could sell. No. If you come around here and read the news, that's why it's important to read the news, people. It's important. Right. Here what Trump's around here, so now. This come out 31 minutes ago. That's why I'm saying keep an eye on this or something, you know. Because Trump not easy, you know. Trump know what I do. So, Iran fires on third ship in Hormuz, escalating container ship Francesca. Let me click into this. Francesca look like one overseas ship. So Iran Guard reportedly attacked a third vessel in the Strait of Hormuz, escalating tension in the key shipping route. The container ship Francesca, owned by Mediterranean Shipping, was targeted while waiting to enter. Show more. So the on Twitter, I Twitter them use for do everything there. Right? I'm see what I'm going on so. Right, that military during that while waiting to enter the Gulf of Oman. What is this? oil them a transport from one place to over there. So while them a contain and a shoot down the place over here, so oil a push up. You understand? Then people don't know what them a do. They know what they doing. So here we go now. If at any time today Uncle Trump open film out and say here we go, we're planning to BOMB ING down the place, guess what? Oil could drop. So people that make use of these buys and sell out of the market based off what's going on with the war. So if Iran a fire back, the oil go up. If Trump a fire back, oil drop. Each time oil come up here, so we keep getting rejection, it keep coming back down. By the time we reach up here, so Trump no want oil to pass $100. We realize that all of these go up trend when you see I go on here, so $97, $98, $99, $98 they drop down. Each time we go up in the 90s, God bless if we pass. The last time we passed the 90s are when it go up, when the war just broke out between the two of them. It hasn't been back up to $100 since then. So each time we come up here, so you think Trump not sit down and have money in him look Oval Office and I say what go on? Each time, yeah, listen to me guys, oil is now at $93 per barrel. If oil go to $100 today, remember me tell you say look out for your sell pan oil. The man no want, him decide already, him no want oil past $100. The last time, let me go on a monthly time frame and show you what I saw in a John shop. The last time oil came, the last and first time oil came all the way up to $104. Yes, and was February the 2nd, February this? March 2nd, 2026. Oil has not been up there since then. Right, I'm going to go up on the actual oil chart down here, so I'll show you something. The original, that's over future side. Now, the first and last time oil made an all-time high, right, was back in March 2022 when the war just broke out between Russia and Ukraine. For they reach up to remember each market reach up to a new all-time high, they might go pull back the market and consolidate it from then. So from oil reach all the way up here, so when the war just broke out between them two countries there, it reached to a reached to a new all-time high. What am I saying? New all-time high of 130, bounce off, come all the way back down here, so. See the wick here? I'm showing you the wick. See what I'm going to cast my chart. And I forgot about my YouTube, guys. That's how I can't show no chart on it, so. Right? So you see what it do? The war push it all the way up here, so. Remember now, guys. This is oil down here, so. You know long oil sit down at $22 per barrel. You understand? $35 per barrel. $50 per barrel. Long time. War broke it out. You understand? Like a sore foot. Then oil now broke out right here, so. Wick all the way up here, so. To $131 per barrel. That's when everybody have to sell them car and start ride donkey back in 2022. Because nobody couldn't afford oil. Now the same thing I could go on if Trump doesn't stop this war. Because them and Iran could go back and forth all day, every day. Until oil end up surpassing the 131. And everybody know I've got definitely selling car and start ride donkey and bicycle. So the market wick all the way up here, so that people, traders would have grabbed them liquidity from up here, so sell back down the market, it come back down here, so come close, right, at $93 per barrel back in 2022. The next day, we had yes, and buyers and sellers a fight this out. Then it push up back to $119 per barrel. Then them come back again, then push up the market, wick, right there, so. Where you see the little red mark here, right at $123. From a touchback $123, it has not been back up there since. So this was, let me drop a horizontal line so you can see what going on. So this was the 1st of June 2022. Oil been selling off since then. From June 2022 all the way down to Calvary where Jesus had sent for us. The market come all the way back down to $54 per barrel. It's been sitting at $54 per barrel from when? Let me tell you. From April, the 1st of April 2025. So from April 2025 up until now, the next April, 1 year on, oil still in the same place at $54 per barrel. No, if anybody remember on my TikTok, me tell everybody say buy oil. No, but broken off on ears oil. I don't like spend money. Me have been saying it. Me tell everybody, guys, get one stockbroker, buy oil. Or go get somebody overseas to open one stockbroker phone and buy oil. From 2020. From 20, me I watch up before, from 2020, much me tell people say, buy oil, buy oil, buy oil. It's coming like we could have sent a war come. War move oil. Because them have to use oil to do the fighter jet. They have to use oil to do the BOMB. Because I can't say the word on TikTok. They have to use oil to do everything. Them have to use oil for putting on the plane them and ray and tay and this and that for war. So me tell everybody say, guys, buy oil, buy oil. Oh no, oil is going to sit down at the same when I weave on a head like Indiana. Until oil reach all the way back up to $100 the other day. And I said, oh my God, if me didn't know me buy oil. And I talk like you know have nose have cotton bud in there. So oil now broke out like a sore foot when the war broke out. Remember now, oil was attempting. You know, like when they say attempted S word? Yes. So oil now reached to a previous support. If you look over here, so previous support. The whole of this area previous support. Right? I'm going to draw the box and show you. Because I love drawing because then it get me to draw the pentagon one time. So all of this area is a support area. The market, yes, and support area, push down, break out, push up, reach new all-time high, come back down, previous support right here. So right over here so now, right? The market rest at the 1st of April 2025. Then they attempted to push up the market. This was before the war broke out, right? They attempted to push up the market right here. The market push up a little bit. We have a little bit of buyers in. Came all the way up to $78 per barrel at the time. Then them said them no want. They're not ready for push up yet. Them come back down. Attempted the next day. Buyers push up a little bit. Them come back down. Come rest back at the same $54.44. If anybody remember, we did a trade oil on our normal forex broker back then. Right. So them say now, here we are going. How we're going to move. The perfect thing for fuel oil moving is war breaking out. Just like gold, just like silver, just like, you understand, anything else commodity-wise. Platinum, rate, and all of these things. War move them. You understand that economy, heavy economic news. You understand? So, them say, all right then, we sense a bit of things are going. You understand? You can see the buyers them start take time to push up the market from January 2026. You understand? February 2026, buyers come in. Then, boom, March 2026, the 1st of March, buyers come in heavy. I said, twice. In the mighty name of Jesus, one big old gap still in the market now. Right? Let me delete this one. There's a big old gap in the market, same way when them need to come back, come fill out. So where the market is right now, so this market, since the war broke out, it came all the way up to $118 per barrel. Right? It come up there so twice already. Come touch up there so, and now the monthly candle, what you see right here, so it's now resting its body. You understand? At some point, it might come back down and come fill out back the $67. So between $67, remember I'm on the monthly time frame, between the $67 to the end of the body candle right there, so. So from $67, right, to $73, there's a big gap right here that they need to fill out. Money down here, so. So that's why I'm going to call it up for yourself, because at some point, Trump a go chat and them a come back down this go fill up back them go get back their money. You understand? Because you have to know them something, guys. That's why I know everybody do trading because them a say, me don't have the time for them technical business, yeah. You have to know where you look for in the market and not just get up and when I buy and sell. So you have to know the nitty-gritty into these things. You understand? So there's a big gap right here. This is money, right? Let me get back my little box again and draw the architecture work. So all of this right here is money. Probably 1 couple trillion, 1 couple billion sit down right or so. That they need to come back and fill up back. You understand? Nice. Now they don't have to do it right now, you know. Oil can leave from where it is right now and don't come back down here. So for now, it can come back all 1 next 2 year, 1 next 3 year, 1 next 10 year from now. You understand? But because the war is unbalanced, 1 minute them meet ends, 1 minute them agree over here. So 1 minute then disagree to agree around here. So with Trump and the people them. So at any time now, Trump can come out and say something, oil drop from here, so go straight back down, go fill up back the gap, grab back their money, and then set up back for the buy again in the mighty name of Jesus. So right now, oil is sitting at $93 per barrel, which means, say, hear me out now, hear me out. I'm going to go up on the daytime frame and show you something. So when the market had opened on Sunday, it came all the way up to $118 per barrel. Y'all are not following instruction. $118 per barrel. If you look over here to your left, right? For those who are on my YouTube, you guys can see what's going on. For those who did not pay attention, right here, so before me even put on my strategy, right here says a strong resistance. So it came up and touched this area twice already. They call it a double touch. Here we go now. The market pull back. Yes, son. So from Sunday night, now the market has set up back for the buy because Uncle Trump and the people them still in a war. Them not agree. Them not go on with nothing. Them a say here we go on. Them a, yes, son, shoot up the people them ship and them all them something there. So because now Iran now go shoot up the Francesca ship now, because Francesca now they don't want to let Francesca through for them oil port. Yes, and so them end up damaging the people them ship. All right. So because of that now, and it has to do with oil, oil is now pushing back up to where it's coming from. Remember, we still have a gap in the market where we still need to go fill out. Me personally not get into no buy with that. Me have to make that gap come fill out first before me. In the stock market, yes, me can get in the stock market for it. But for futures, me not trade that round yourself. No. Me have to wait until this come back down, go fill out back them gap here before me even get in at this to the buy on the future side. You understand? You walk along now, walk drive this up. For the rest of the day, we're now 11 hours and 15 minutes left on this day candle. And buyers already have pushed up the price. So, here we go on. If this continue pushing up for the rest of the day, we're going to get oil break the previous, not the new one, the previous all-time high back again, which is 118 before I get back to up at the $133. Yes, son. No. If I am looking to get into this, I'm going to then drop from there to the lower time frame. Right? I go to the 5 minutes. Remember, I said these are, yes, son. We work with commodity, yes. So for me now, I'm going to look over here to my left. Over here to my left, we have a previous structure right here. So I would then wait for a break and close right above $94.19 before I get in for a buy. Yes, son. If I go up on the stock market, go buy this. Right? Remember, I've been in oil for what picking fill up. Yeah, son. I need to wait on a $54 me in there. Before that. Come and say, you know, see the people that Dubai be oil them a trade. I want to trade oil to more make money off of oil too. So me in there long time. So for me to get into a next position on this, the stock market, I will wait for a break and close above $94.19. For me, if we make sure so me get a proper break and close for me get into this for the buy. Right? And then my potential TPs, right? Because for the stock market, we don't use TPs. My potential TP would have been $97, right? $102, right? And $105. And you can left the same. Yes, and but just mark out the previous structures them. That would be my potential TP right there for oil. But until now, me not trade this over futures. Cause yes, and a be a problem I got with them yes, and them scrutinize all of the futures trader them with the trade oil when Trump talk. Yes, and because them say people too much people make money after they want to move. Right? Now, if we didn't know Uncle Trump in person, then Uncle Trump would have tell me what to do. But I don't know him in person, so me not trade oil run the futures, yes, so now me there. Me I left it alone because me no want CMC come take on my account here, so me I left it run here. So I will go up on the stock market or on my MT5 I go trade it and that's it, left it there so. Yeah, so but for now, this has to set up back properly for me to get in for the buy. So right now we're not ready. Yes, and I was waiting for it to come back down and fill up by the $83 the other day. It hasn't done so. And because the war is still a brew, it keeps driving up the price. That's why I say at any time, Trump can come out and make one bad tweet. I grow on a truth, because film platform named truth. If can go on a truth run so and make one bad tweet and oil just drop out of the sky from $93 come all the way down at $78. So me not trust Trump. You hear me? Alright. So when we not trust him, we left him alone. Right. So that's why we go top-down analysis on oil. Alright, we see what I'm going to run our NQ guys. Guys, NQ still a play around running, so we still wait. So I like to do a top-down analysis. But I'm sorry before me get in it, because me now waste my money. I'm sorry. What, bro? You're not even coming because I, but you know your role. You're not even coming because I happy Wednesday, good day, nothing. You just coming because ask questions, sir. But what can I go, sir? No, man, you have to fix up before the ground, sir. Yeah, sir, or ma'am. I don't even know your who. No, you have to fix up before the ground run, yeah. And that's how we work. You have to come in because I'm there. No, we're not just coming because ask questions. I'm not even manning. All right, so guys, we're gonna leave this on here. But we're gonna leave this for now and see how this play out. Like me say the market slow down completely. What time now? 5:48 over here. Yep, market slow down. So we're gonna go and watch this and see what's going on. If at any time you're in profit, we're gonna just close out, guys, until the Asian session. But we're finished trading for the day. Yeah, so now dinner time now. I go warm up my food and want to relax and go finish watch my Viking series by Netflix. I've done all I'm with the buyers about 3 hours. Hey, so you know so me have time by my and 3 hours me there. Right, so you guys can go and watch this. Once it push up in the profit, guys, you can close out. And you understand that's it for the day until Asian session. We're coming back on for Asian session later on. Okay? So Asian session 11:15 UK time, 7 or 8 p.m. USA time. You understand? Make sure to be on time, right? So as soon as the market move, we're in there from early. If you're in trades right now, if you're in the trade right now, go and watch it for the time being. We have a little bit of buyers that try to push up. But as you can see down at the volume right here, so we don't have no volume. Market dead. Yeah, son? Dead as knit. So go and watch it in the meantime. Yeah, son? If you get a little outburst, even if I was $100 or $50, grab it and run to Jesus. All right, so enjoy the rest of the day, guys. I'll see everybody for Asian session later on. Okay, toodles. Toodles.
Got to be glued for sleek looks with screaming hold. Gentle on scalp. Just a quick glow up.
That's it.
For an everyday grocery run. Got to be for whoever you want to be.
Oh, before you go checking out, I've got one question. Did you quit home? Ditch.
Man to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend. And your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Behind that to look on you. Know your secrets. So only reveal it. And who got you? Not from the dawn, in a corner fire. I see it, clap, clap, clap. Some will hate you, pretend they love you now. Then behind it, try to eliminate you. But who jobless? No one curse. And God, we're past the worst. Prince and parasite.
Thank you.
When I'm gone and say goodbye. You're not just to get a lot of people would run away. And who just I think I'm gonna throw me down, throw me on the bow. I'm gonna go, yeah, go. Some will eat and drink with you.
That's how we down up right now.
To slip on you.
Let's try that right now.
A lot of people would run away.
Let them wait to the cap. Let them wear. Jamaican, you know, kind of phone. Right, later on, guys. I didn't want Bob Marley finish play out.